best VPN application today, which you can use for completely free, and I'm pretty much showing you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much a home screen application. At the top, you can see where you go to select your servers. And if you tap on the server option here, you can see all the servers available for you to use. So quite a lot of free servers which you can use, and you can stay on the optimal server option, which will select the fastest server for you. So over here, you have this special server option as well, which is pretty much for sports streaming website servers. But this is not all the servers that they have. If you get the premium subscription, you will see all the special servers for Netflix and so forth, all the streaming websites, as well as some more added servers for the region section here. So at the top you may see a Wi-Fi icon. You can tap on that to refresh the server list. I do recommend doing that before selecting any server at all, or even if you're not selecting any server and using the optimal option, then you can still do it for it to repair the server list. So that's pretty much it for that. Once you've selected your server, or even if you're selecting the option server option there, you can pretty much tap on the server that you want to connect to, and it will connect in no time. As you can see here, I'm connected in less than a second. And at the top here, pretty much where you go to get your premium subscription. As you can see here, the prices, and also you get a 58% discount on the yearly subscription. And you don't get any free trial with this, but if you tap on the -80, you do get a discount on the monthly subscription, as you can see here. However, very good VPN, very straightforward, very easy, and very easy to connect, and very fast. But once you even get the subscription, it's even faster. So you get more and more fast server which you can use. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'm glad to see you in the next one. Stay tuned.